Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super simple but incredibly tasty dish, sweet and sour eggs. Glistening, bright, and coated in that thick, glossy sauce. Every piece looks juicy and full of flavor, almost shining under the light. I'm frying 6 eggs today. If you've got a bigger family or you just really love eggs, go ahead and fry a few more. Once the eggs are cooked, cut each one into quarters. This helps them soak up the sauce later. Now let's mix the sauce. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar or rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 150 milliliters of water. Give it a good stir. That's our sweet and sour base. Everything is ready, let's cook. Heat a little oil in the wok. Toss in some chopped scallions and let them get fragrant. Then pour in the sauce we just mixed. Once it comes to a boil, add in all the fried eggs. Let them simmer and bubble away. This is how the flavors get inside. When the sauce thickens and cooks every piece beautifully, we are good to go. Every piece looks juicy and tender, like it's ready to burst with flavor. Tell me this doesn't make you want to pick one up right now. Alright, let me try one for you. Oh wow, tangy, sweet, and super flavorful. Honestly, it's my first time trying fried eggs this way, and I'm hooked. Give it a try at home, you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, see you next time.